Hi guys, so I'm back with another kitchen update. The lighting in here is still a bit patchy because they did fit in the light fixture that we wanted, but they didn't fit it in properly. When you guys see this, you're gonna be like, bruh, come on. So what they did was they didn't, they did not center the light fixture as it should have been. So if you can see, like, okay, compared to the island, like, it's not in the middle. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to, because I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like to the right a bit. So it's, yeah, we were thinking to just get another one of these and then put it here so it can balance everything out, but really it should have been horizontal and bang in the middle of the island. So yeah, but this is our new light fixture. It's unfortunate that they didn't fix it properly, but at least we've now got lights. My mum also got these like wall art images, I should say. So she's put them in a few rooms. She's put one in the living room, and this is the kitchen one. I guess it's like a cup of tea and a cup of coffee. Don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm trying not to step on our new puppy because we also got a puppy as well, and he's so cute. I doubt you guys would want to see him. Let me know if you do. So instead of a kettle, I guess this is kind of like a kettle actually, but it just doesn't look like your traditional kettle, and it's instant as well. So you fill it up with water. Obviously we can't drink the tap water. Well, me and my family can't drink the tap water in Ghana, so we have to use bottled. So we'll fill it up. You literally just press it. Within a minute it boils. The only thing is it will come out automatically, so you have to make sure you've got your cup here ready. And then this is the toaster that we went for. This will take 4 slices of bread, is what I'm trying to say. We've tried to stick with the whole classic theme of like neutrals, stainless steel colors, like grey, silvers, that kind of thing. So I will try and link these two below. I believe this is Breville and this, I don't know what, iKitchens, never heard of them, but it's doing the job. And then we also decided to go for like some, I don't know what these things are called, because I know this is a bread bin, but I'm not sure if this is going to be like, yeah, no, this is not a tea bin, do you know what I mean? So we have, I guess they're like tea tins, or I don't know, containers, that's the word. It does what it says on the tin. This is how we're housing all these kinds of things. So tea, coffee, sugar, biscuits, bread. They did sell this in different colorways, and my mum preferred the white colorway, and they also sold it without the indication of, without the text on it. Basically they sold it plain, and my mum wanted the one with the text, so I'll also ask her for the link of where she picked all this up from. We also got this. There are 2 cups missing at the moment because I believe my brother was having a cup of tea earlier. But basically they're like cute teacups, and they're huge as well. Like when you boil water in this, it will only fill up halfway. Oh my gosh, I feel like the dog just weed. I feel like the dog has just weed and I've stepped in it. This is outrageous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Chrissy, why are you doing that? Oh my gosh. Really? He's so cute though. Chrissy.
Okay. These mugs, we went for a grey colour. I believe they're all the same or similar. I believe 2 of them are like this, and then 2 of them are more like star shaped. We also decided to use this corner of the kitchen as like almost like a kitchen pantry. So we've put our like fruit, yam, stuff like that, and then odd things here and there that don't belong like anywhere in the house, if that makes sense. We've put things here, like miscellaneous objects, basically. Objects with no specific room. We've got some old Christmas decorations in a box up there. Don't know if you can see it. And then we've got a Hoover and mop here. We also had to ship over the Hoover and the mop because I think my mum is just very like picky. She wanted the like Henry Hoover and that spinny mop thingy. I think it's the Veleda one. And then we got this stand, and currently we've just put papaw, mango, ginger, pineapple in it, like our fruit. When we do have yam, this is where we put our yam as well. I'm not sure if I showed this in the previous video. I can't remember. I really can't remember if I showed this in a previous video, but it's basically things that you'll put your little seasoning jars. So we're yet to fill ours up right now. I believe we even need to clean it up a bit. For now, that's staying here. We've got our juicer and our rice cooker. Look at how dusty it is. We don't really use these appliances, but it's a nice to have, just in case we ever want to make like a papaw juice, or just in case we ever need to use the rice cooker, then we know it's there. It's just like a plain, simple, like silver one. As you can see, all our appliances are like silver. And then, yeah, I showed you guys this already. This is another one of the wall art thingies my mum got. I just feel like even if you're not renovating, you're just never finished decorating a house, you will never finish, because every season your mood will change and you would want to switch things up. So there will be countless more episodes coming your way soon. For now, that's all I have to show you. A few mugs, a few appliances, and also a bread bin, because I don't know about you guys, but we eat a lot of egg and bread in this house, a lot. So yeah, we needed a bread bin. We finally got an AC fixed. I don't know if you guys recall, in one of my previous episodes, me and my mum were literally like dying in the kitchen because it was so hot, and we were like, oh, we finally understand why people have AC in their kitchen. So we finally got that fitted in, and you know, we no longer die in the kitchen. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Why do you like those things like that?